Hello, I'm Debra Pickfield. I work for the Office of Research and Innovation at Humber College, and the reason I'm part of that amazing team is because I'm passionate about problem solving. Now, you may think that's a rather dry subject, but for me, there is nothing better than watching people go from this place of we don't know, we're struggling, we're frustrated, we're angry, all those emotions that come into problem solving, and actually walking away going, wow, I had no idea we were going to be able to come through something so complex. Usually it's emotional, and actually be able to feel a lot better about the challenge ahead of us. So one of the things I like to say is that there's two ways of looking at things. One is you have to understand how each of us like to prefer to approach problem solving. So there's 4 quadrants. The work that I do is based on the creative problem solving process. The first group like to come up with ideas, right? They're the ones who come, oh, look, we can do this, no problem, it's going to be great. Yeah, okay, fine. Some people are saying, really? Then there's the people who like to ask the questions, right? They're saying, how, why, what are we going to do? I'm not sure this all makes sense. They're valuable as well as the people who come up with the ideas. The other group are the ones who like to tell you how to do something, right? They're going to say, well, this is the rules, these are the regulations, we got to think of this, and you're not thinking about all those things. Absolutely true. And then the last group are the ones who like to tell you, we can do this, we're going to make it happen, let's go, come on, let's solve this problem. So this is true of how we approach anything at home or planning a vacation or working with our children or our parents or anything, but it's also true how we work together as a team. So when we know that we have every voice around the table, the ones who come up with ideas, the ones who ask the questions, the ones who tell you how to do it, and the ones who actually say, let's get going, are a necessary part of every group, and your outcomes are richer. You're going to save a lot of time and money because you've thought through everything instead of just, so, well, let's just try this, or we get stuck asking questions forever and never making anything happen. So the workshop we offer is around creative problem solving at Humber College, and you can check out our website to find out when we're offering the course again, and also other amazing workshops that are offered by the Office of Research and Innovation at Humber College. So hope you join us. Thank you.